procrastination isn't laziness. It's avoidance. You're not putting things off because you don't care. You delay because something about the task creates tension. It might feel too big, too unclear, or, a bit risky. And when your brain feels that tension, it looks for relief. Avoidance gives you that relief, even if it isn't for very long. Here's what's really happening. Your brain doesn't like uncertainty. It just doesn't. When a task feels vague or overwhelming, and there's no clear finish line, your mind kind of freezes. That's why you can scroll for 20 minutes, but can't start a 5-minute task. The issue isn't effort. It isn't motivation. It's clarity. When the next step isn't obvious, action just stops. So here's the fastest way to break procrastination. Start badly. Don't wait for the perfect plan. Don't wait until you feel ready, because honestly, that moment usually doesn't come. Just open the document. Write one sentence. Do one small, imperfect thing. Movement creates momentum. Momentum creates clarity. Waiting. It isn't creating anything. Big goals don't get done all at once. You know this. Small actions do. Don't clean the whole house. Just pick up 3 items. Don't plan the entire project. Write the title. When you shrink the task, your brain stops pushing back. Action feels safe again. And once you start, continuing is easier than you expect. Unfinished tasks quietly drain your attention. Finished tasks give it back. So close small loops every day. Finish what you start, even if it's small. And if you're done waiting and ready to begin, comment "Start small" and hit like. That's your first move. In the next video, we'll talk about building quiet confidence, the kind that comes from keeping your word to yourself.